In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xbox gift card on Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Xbox gift card, you can use it inside of Minecraft. You will have to redeem the Xbox gift card into your Microsoft or Xbox account and then purchase things inside of Minecraft. Or of course, you can use the funds to purchase Minecraft games. So first, to redeem it, you can go over to xbox.com/redeem, or you can do this directly on your console. Simply open the Microsoft Store and go to your account page. You will also find the redeem option, so either follow along through the console or go to xbox.com/redeem on a web browser. Then choose redeem now. In here, you will enter the 25-digit Xbox gift card code. So sadly, I don't have an Xbox gift card available with me at the moment, but you will input all of the digits here. Pay attention to everything, make sure that you type it out properly, and as long as it is valid and it hasn't been redeemed, it will be accepted. You click next and make sure that you are adding the funds into the correct Microsoft or Xbox account. Once you have redeemed the funds from the gift card into your account, now you can go over to the Microsoft Store and look for Minecraft. Like I said before, you will find specific games, so you will have the standard Minecraft, then you will have Minecraft Dungeons, Minecraft Legends, and other titles available. If you want to, you can purchase any of them, but if you choose Minecraft specifically and you scroll down, you will find add-ons. Or, if you prefer, you can open the game and go inside of the marketplace. Either way, you can purchase these add-ons using the money that you acquired or you got from the gift card. So as long as you redeem the gift card into your Microsoft or Xbox account, you will have the money available, and then you can use it to purchase Minecoins, you can purchase these add-ons, and everything will be available inside of Minecraft. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.